Welcome to the video tutorials of inSis suite. Welcome to inSis Solution Space demo. Solution Space is a self-service and role-based portal to access real-time operations information, analytics, trends, dashboards, reports, KPIs, events, performance metrics, etc. The role-based visualizations helps to provide the right information to the right people at the right time. With personalization and collaboration features, this portal becomes the single window for operational excellence tools. This is the home page of Solution Space, where list of configured solutions are displayed. A solution is a customized application that help you to address certain challenges with respect to data analytics, performance monitoring, digitalization, remote monitoring, reporting, etc. Solution Space has two modules, Builder module and the Viewer module. In the Builder module we configure the solution, and in Viewer module we view these solutions which are configured. Let us view a solution. Let us see the Manufacturing Information System and Operational Intelligence solution for a refinery. Click on the MIS and OI solutions for refineries. The solution is loaded. Default content is loaded initially. A default content, or landing page, is configured using Solution Builder. Also, a customized landing page to each user groups can be assigned. On the left side menu panel, which is called as Solution Browser, assets and visualizations are provided in tree views and list views. These are browsed to access the desired content quickly. Click on the desired item in Solution Browser to load the detailed information of the item in the main area. We can view various plant information, which is configured, by navigating from one item to another in Solution Browser, or button group, in the top of the content area. Let us navigate from one item to the other, and see the configured solution. User can also search the desired information configured in this solution, by simply typing the name of the content in the search box, and the content suggestions shall appear. By selecting the required item from search results, the information is displayed quickly. The access to the information is restricted with privileges provided to required roles. However, the user with administrator privileges can access all information. When the information is loaded, several links to relevant information is provided in the top as button group. This will provide the quick access to other relevant information. Each content is provided with content header, with options to navigate into time, share information, download as PDF, open the content in respective app and other relevant options. For example, when an analytical view is loaded, the content toolbar has the options like runtime options, times, share by email, export to PDF, show in info view, show in smart trend, etc. Users can click on desired content and further drill down into detailed information. Also, it provides quick information with pop-up detail views. Solution Space helps to visualize the operations and performance information in an orderly fashion with required navigation styles, drill downs and details views for providing right information quickly. A process engineer can build a web-based solution without any support from IT. Let us see how to build solutions using Solution Space Builder. To create a new solution, or modify existing solutions, click on the Solution Builder home icon which is located at top right corner of the home page. System will navigate you to the Solution Builder page. The Solution Builder page provide various features for creating and managing the content. These features are accessed through various styles provided in the Builder home page. To create a new solution, click on Solution Style, and it will be navigated to the Solutions Manage page. Click on Add New Solution button to create solutions. Solution Details page is displayed. Give a name to the solution, and any description for this solution. Default page is required for the user to display the created solution for browsing the content. Without the default page, solution cannot be published. Selection of theme and background are made available here. To view the solution, it should be published first. If the Solution Browser is enabled, we can view Solution Browser root node button as side menu in Viewer. Otherwise, Solution Browser related content is not displayed in Viewer. If Show Search on, the search bar will be displayed in Viewer. We can set the background color for the solution. Also, we can select the solution icon for the solution. After entering all the details, click on the Save button, and our solution is saved. To create a default page for the solution, click the Pages button, and it will navigate to Page Builder. Click on Page Settings button, and select the solution. Give a name for the page. Now click on Page Content tab strip, to add the content in the page. We can add and view the analytics, dashboards etc. in the page, and then link the page to the created solution. Go to Solutions page, and select the respective solution, and set the created page in the default page field. Now click on View the solution, and it will be navigated to Solution Viewer page. The new solution with default page is loaded. To configure the plant-related data like data analytics, dashboards, trends, reports, KPIs etc., go to the Solution Browser settings by clicking Solution Browser tile from Builder page. From here select the solution, and configure the default content type by clicking the drop-down, and enter the item related to content type. By enabling the Show Assets options, all the created assets in the system are accessed here. Now, select the desired assets. In the same way, we can access and configure the analytical views, dashboards, reports, trends, PFDs etc. After selecting the desired content, save the Solution Browser settings. Created nodes will be displayed in the middle. Now, publish the solution. Created items or nodes will be displayed in left side menu in Viewer, for accessing all the content. Now, by clicking on the icons, respective content will load. By clicking on PDF button, we can convert the page content into PDF format, and download in our local system. We can share the page content as PDF to other users, by clicking on Email option. Quick Periods option is used to filter and analyze the data. Now, we will see how we can create the node items to the selected nodes. For creating node items, expand the selected nodes, click on the desired node. On clicking, Node on Click Details tab will be opened for creating node items. Root name indicates the name of the root node. Node level indicates the level of the node. If the nodes have many sub-levels, but some are not necessary, then user may restrict the level of nodes to less number, so that user can access only usable nodes. Click on the Add Node item. Give the name of the node item in title, and select the item type. It may be pages, info views, dashboards, PFTs, process-related content, trends, reports, logbooks, etc. Select the item, based on item type. We can also add child node items to the node, from the created node items list. We can also add the images as icons for node items, and save it. After configuring the desired number of nodes, we can sort the created nodes. By clicking on the Sort Enable option, user can sort the created node items as per the choice, and click on Save button, and if you want to reset the order of the nodes, click on Reset option. After sorting is completed, we need to disable that sorting option. To copy the node items from one node to the other node, Copy from option is used. Now, we can publish the solution from Solution Browser by clicking on Solution View. One can also add site links to the solution by clicking on Site Link Style. Give the name and provide the URL in the Link URL option. Select the page from which you want to access the site link and save it. Once the site link is saved, it can be accessed from pages and node items. Sharing the plant data with the team is very easy. To send a solution by email, click on Email button. Enter the email ID and comments, and click on Send. The solution content is converted to PDF and sent as an attachment along with a link. The email recipient can also view the solution in web app or mobile app by simply clicking the link from browser on PC or mobile respectively. Let us see furthermore solutions configured using inSis solution space. Thank you.